House Bar and Grill, Bon Appetit, we are here. Savannah, Georgia, Tybee Island. We about to have a feast. The best seafood on Tybee Island. We about to find out. We about to let you know right now. Let's go. Stay tuned. Let's go. The Blue Hawaiian, that's what we drinking here. See, I gotta let y'all know what's in this Blue Hawaiian. The Blue Hawaiian has Bacardi Coconut Rum, blue liqueur, pineapple juice, a splash of Sprite with a cherry. Yes, we're about to see what it tastes like. Oh yeah, it tastes good. It tastes like a pina colada, but it's blue. Never had a blue pina colada before, but that's pretty much what it tastes like. It's very fruity. So we are here at the Rockhouse, rocking it out. It's a real good vibe. So if you into like rock and roll music from like 70s, 80s, 90s, that's pretty much what the atmosphere is. They got a good drink selection. They got a nice menu, but due to our current circumstances, some things aren't available. But you know, that's everywhere in the world right now. So it's pretty understandable. So I've smashed my drink as usual. I like this vibe in here. It's pretty awesome. Our entree and our appetizer orders are in, and I need you guys to stay tuned. So I want to take some time and discuss what I ordered because it's kind of like a challenge here. It's called a Fat Elvis. All burgers are served handmade, half-pound patties with fries and a dill pickle spare. My burger, which is the Fat Elvis, is gonna be 6 half-pound patties, 6 slices of cheese, 2 slices of American cheese, 6 slices of bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, a pickle spare, yep, 3 pounds of meat. And if and when, and I mean if you finish everything, fries included, you get the choice of a printed Rockhouse t-shirt. And we're gonna flash a t-shirt on the menu. So wish me luck. Hopefully I can accomplish this amazing feat. If not, we'll be all right. At least we got to taste this great food. Just stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and let us know which restaurants in your community, in your city, in your state that needs recognition, and we will pull up and show out at these restaurants. You might just get an invitation and you come eat with us for free. Free. Is that enough frees? Yes, you come and you eat for free with us. Coconut shrimp. Looks authentic, don't it? They're saying the coconut shrimp you get at Red Lobster now. This looks like some sweet chili sauce. Ooh. That sauce spicy. That sauce spicy. I'm not a big spicy fan, so I'm dying right now, but it's still good. Shark tacos. Dun, dun, dun. Holy I mean, holy Snapple.
There you go. Good luck to you. Can I get you guys anything else for this?
Is that the Elvis burger, man?
Yeah.
That's the one. That's the
Good luck. You're welcome.
You can't even cut this. Do you see this? The Leaning Tower of Burgerness. The Leaning Tower of Burgerness. This is the Elvis, so if I finish this burger, I get a free t-shirt. This is gonna be tough, guys. Oh my God. So how should I eat this? Should I eat it burger by burger? Because I definitely can't slide this in my mouth. So yes, I've done it. I have conquered the burger. Yes, you see? And then this the last fries left. It's easy. It was a light day. You know how much I eat. Now where my free shirt at? That's all I need right now, a free shirt. Yeah, move that out of the way. Drink my victory drink. Two thumbs up. Y'all gonna see that free shirt. I'ma get it. Victorious. Small thing to a giant. So what I need y'all to do now, since I just put in all that work, I need y'all to do some work. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell, and let me know what restaurant in your area needs recognition. And Bon Appetit Food Critique will pop up and show out. To all my Bon Appetit food freaks out there, merch is on its way. The merch is on its way. We're gonna get y'all right. Until next time, it's me, Nick, the food critique from Bon Appetit, signing out.